In the previous video, we did part 4 of lesson 2, that was multiplying by 5, 50, 25, etc. And in this video, that is part 5, we'll do the opposite of that, that is dividing by 5, 50, 25, etc. That's coming up. Okay, let's do 85 divided by 5. Now when we divide by 5, we double the number. Double of 85 is, double of 80 is 160 and double of 5 is 10. So it will become 170. And then we divide, we doubled 85 and it became 170. Then we divide by 10. When we are dividing by 10, if there is 0, we just get rid of 0 and it will be 17. Or if there is a number without a 0, then 1 point we have to shift on the left. So it will become 17. 85 divided by 5 is 17. Let's take a little bigger number. 665 divided by 5, let's say. And now this double of 600 is 1200 and double of 60 is 120 and double of 5 is 10, and you can add the result. Let's say write it like that. This will become 1330. After that you divide it by 10 and it will become 133. That's your answer. 665 is divided by 5 is 133. Let's do one more and then we'll move on to the practice. 73 divided by 5. Now double of 7 is 14 and double of 3 is 6, and when we divide 146 by 10, we have to shift point one place. When there is no point, it means point is on the right, decimal point is on the right of the number. So when we shift this point here, it will become 14.6. Okay, do this practice, then we'll move on. Okay, let's do dividing by 50, 25. 750, let's say we want to divide it by 50. Now here, since this 50 is half of 100 and we double the number as before, but instead of shifting the point one place on the left, we shift it two places. That's the only difference. Okay, double of 75 is, double of 70 is 140 and double of 5 is 10. So 150 it will become, and this 0 is already there, so it will become 1500. But dividing by 100 will shift the points two places on the left and it will become 15. Okay, let's do one more. 54.32 divided by 50. Now double of 50 is 100 and double of 4 is 108. Then there is point, double of 3 is 6 and double of 2 is 4. We have this number 108.64, and when we divide it by 100, this point will shift one place, two places here, so it will become 1.0864. That's our final answer. Okay, let's do one more and then we'll do some practice. 425. This channel I have made for my students, and again in my classes also I tell them, and the people who are watching this video, I am again and again telling, without practice this course or this channel it means nothing, because all this information you can get from somewhere, but if you don't practice, this is like a skill, swimming, driving, anything you can think of. If you practice, you will perfect in that skill. Otherwise it's just knowledge that is not in practice. It's like you know which medicine I have to eat for my disease, and you don't eat it. You just have the knowledge of that. It won't give you benefit. Okay, 425 divided by 25, let's say I want to do. Then instead of doubling it once, I have to double it twice, because this is 1/4 of 100. 100 is 4 times of 25. To get to 100, I have to double 25 twice. Double of 25 is 50 and double of 50 is 100. So we have to do the doubling twice here and then divide by 100. So double of 425 is, double of 400 is, let's say double of 4 is 8 and double of 25 is 50. I have split it here. Okay, now again I will double it. Double of 80 is 160 and double of 5 is, or let's make it easy for you, 80 plus 5. Let's say or I will say 800 plus this is a mess. Let me do it again for you. I'm sorry. Double of 800, 800 plus 58 is right. So double of 800 is 1600 and double of 50 is 100. Okay, this will become 1700. Now we have doubled it twice already, and then when we divide by 100, the point will go 2 places on the left and make it 17. So the answer is 17. 425 divided by 25 is equal to 17. Okay, do this practice. With this video, we are finishing lesson 2, and in the next lesson we'll start lesson 3, that is digit sums. People, if you are struggling with numbers or mathematics, then this channel is generally for you. But if you are good with numbers, then this channel is particularly for you, because you can help others. See you in the next video.